Good morning from Gladstone, Queensland, a town nestled in between silos and a very busy industrial port. Join me as I wander around the foreshore walk over to the Marina and Spinnaker Park. It's another typically hot Queensland day. I will leave the comfort of air conditioning and walk down to Gladstone's lovely riverside walk. I've been to Gladstone a few times over the last few years. I like the place. It's an industrial town tucked in between cement silos and a busy international port. If you're walking from town, you will come down the hill and past Gladstone's Yacht Club. The East Shores Parklands features a boardwalk, viewing platforms and a variety of recreational spaces. As you enter the Riverside Walk, there is a photo display of the earlier port days. This walk is so pleasant and often quiet, even though it is popular amongst the locals and families. There are viewing decks and information referencing the original owners of the land. Gladstone Ports provides this space for the local families and visitors. There are a couple of exercise workout areas. This is one of them. There are water parks for children right alongside the shaded walkway. Well, usually you can get to go straight through there, but they must be doing some upgrades. HMAS Gladstone II, decommissioned of course, is tucked in the corner over here. There she is, HMAS Gladstone. Now you can book tours during the weekends. Adults are about $15. I'll put the information at the end. No thongs though. Now for my international viewers, that means for Kiwis no jandals, and for Americans and Canadians no flip-flops. Australians call these thongs. It looks like the Coral Sea has been fought over in the past. Gladstone becoming one of the world's major coal exporting ports, and in 1954 became the first bulk loading coal export port in Queensland. Auckland House restaurant with great views while dining. Captain John Rogers, a respected immigrant from Glasgow, Scotland, who loved the sea and often worked at these ports. A little bit further up, there's another viewing area with reference to Patsy Lee. A locally loved icon and known for her fishing activities. It's getting a bit windy up here. It's still tropically warm though. They've set this park up with plenty of places for shade and seating, for picnics or family outings during the evenings or at any time. Now this looks cool. This is the other outdoor exercise area I mentioned before. Here are some exercise descriptions and options. These would be great for step-ups, wouldn't they? Really like the look of this gym, although for me, a bit warm to work out outdoors. Shall I try these monkey bars? I wonder how many people or boot camp groups use these. The Cruise Terminal Plaza. I wonder if this is where the cruise ships dock with their passengers. Gladstone can be described as a surprisingly pretty and relaxing industrial town, tucked in between these silos and the Gladstone port. We've been walking along the waterfront promenade here. Here is the decommissioned HMAS Gladstone II. I want to go and have a look at the Auckland Hill lookout now. Now there's a good wall to practice your goal shooting. So getting a sense of where I'm heading are those silos next to the railway line and looking up to Auckland Hill. This is the D6 dozer Tonkatoy, dating back to 1947. The park is really well set up for families with lots of colourful structures around the place. We have just walked around the Riverside boardwalk and now I would like to get up to Auckland Hill lookout. Oh, I guess we won't be walking up that today. And this is why you can't get access to Auckland Hill. This is a weird looking plant. I've looped around the Riverside Walk and here we are at the big screen showing the port's development. See that blue bridge over in the distance there? I'm now going to walk over that and around to the Marina on the other side. I'm walking past Gladstone's Yacht Club again, and I'm guessing this is some kind of yacht trailer for maintenance work maybe? I will walk under the bridge first up this footpath which runs alongside Auckland Creek, connecting the Marina to the rest of Gladstone. These posts look different. I'm guessing these. I'm not much of a boatie, but I'm guessing that replicates where a boat would throw their rope to moor. This viewing area looks towards the Marina Bridge, which I'll be walking over soon, and further up Auckland Creek. Did you know Gladstone's Marina Bridge has a weight limit of 5 tonnes? That doesn't sound very much. Vehicles that are overweight need to use an alternative route. This path on the Marina side of the bridge is the Gladstone Marina Parklands. I'm guessing that's highlighting an uneven footpath. This is looking from Point Curtis over to the walkway. This park and footpath is well used by runners and walkers. This is Gladstone Marina. Interesting looking houseboat. You can walk all the way over to the other side, which is Spinnaker Park. I'm going to walk back now to my accommodation. There's those grain silos over there in the distance. I had to change my GoPro battery. This is looking to the bridge where the foreshore walk starts. It's noisy here with the traffic.
Sorry.
You're right, girl.
I'm walking back up the hill towards the centre of Gladstone. That's a cool looking surf shop frontage.
Esplanade Hotel, Gladstone.
That's not correct. This is Cullaroo House, which is a heritage listed building constructed in mid-1911. I'm outside the Gladstone Library. Who's this? This is Mr. Gladstone, the late Cyril Golding, who contributed a lot to the community. Narnia? Hogswort? This is cute. Now that is the old Esplanade Hotel on the corner over there. This now has a restaurant and pub, which I will be going to later for dinner. Another heritage listed building. I have driven out looking to see if I can get access to Auckland Hill. I can't, it is completely blocked off. I'm walking down the hill along Harbour Terrace with the grain silos on the left and some nice properties on the right. So I've cheated. I've driven around the other side of the marina called Spinnaker Point. And I'm now looking towards the marina again. And this looks to be the port side where there's a lot of activity happening today. It's also quite windy, as you can see by the choppy water. Apparently, Gladstone is Queensland's largest multi-commodity port and the 5th largest in Australia. So do you recognise the silos? On one side of this walkway is the port and the other side is the marina. A cute little beach with what looks to be a shark net protecting it. This plaque looks like it's celebrating 150 years of surveying in Queensland. Another Marina captain, resting in peace.
Dugongs with paddle-like flippers, flute tail and portly body. Dugongs may look like overweight dolphins but are actually more closely related to elephants. The best shot of this I had all day.
The decommissioned HMAS Gladstone II, looking across Auckland Creek to the foreshore walk where it rests.
I have to explain my fetish for submarines. Well, not really. I have an interest in them because my stepfather worked on those as a career when he was a young man.
I'm walking back the Marina Bridge now, and there are a lot of explanatory signs along the way to add interest. I'm back in that wind again. I am now back at my accommodation.
Right, it's time to go and find some dinner.
Just up here and around the corner is the old Esplanade Hotel we saw earlier this afternoon from across the road. I chose the fish and chips and a cider drink.
That was a quick look around Gladstone today. Tomorrow I will be in Rockhampton, who claim to be the beef capital of Australia. Thank you for watching. See you soon.